the world. Their heights will astonish you. Top 5 highest flying birds in the world. Let's discover the top 5 highest flying birds in the world. Number 5. Alpine Chough. Alpine Chough, 6,500 meters. The Alpine Chough, soaring as high as 6,500 meters. Number 4. Whooper Swan. Whooper Swan, 8,200 meters. The Whooper Swan, reaching altitudes of 8,200 meters. 3. Bar-headed Goose. Bar-headed Goose, 8,800 meters. The Bar-headed Goose, known for flying over the Himalayas at 8,800 meters. Number 2. Common Crane. Common Crane, 10,000 meters. The Common Crane can fly at altitudes of 10,000 meters. Number 1. Ripple's Griffon Vulture. Ripple's Griffon Vulture, 11,300 meters. Ripple's Griffon Vulture reaching heights up to 11,300 meters. Enjoyed this? Like and subscribe. Enjoyed this? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.